Hi, I'm Dan from AUX Autos and we're going to take this fantastic Seat Ibiza FR for a little test drive. So the car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, clutch and the gearbox feel really good, through all 6 gears with no issues. Suspension's riding the bumps on this country road very nicely. Brakes feel nice, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. The car's got really nice specification, including some factory fitted upgrades, about £2,000 worth I believe. So you've got the large colour touchscreen multimedia system with sat nav. On there you've also got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and CD player. You've got auxiliary import, USB ports, the all-important Bluetooth for your mobile phone, hands-free, and for audio streaming. And you've also got the full car link, so you've got Apple Carplay and Android Auto, so yet another way that you can connect your devices. Air conditioning, really nice leather, multifunction steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel. You've got cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. So yeah, loads of features, plenty of power from the little turbo engine on this steep hill. So you've got power, yet you've got efficiency as well. Yeah, the car is driving really nice, very smooth. It is a really lovely car to drive, very easy to drive as well. The car's done at the moment 64,300 miles, and here we are back where we started. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.